Have you ever dreamed of taking your small business to the next level? Do you want to grow it into something big, but without having to do everything yourself? Many business owners think that putting in more hours will bring success, but that's not always true. The real key is building a business that can grow on its own, even when you're not always there to manage everything. In this video, you will discover secrets that no one has ever explained to you in such detail before. Let's find out these secrets. 1. Create strong systems. A successful business runs on systems, not just people. If your business depends on you handling every little thing, it will never grow. That's why creating systems is so important. A system is a clear process that helps things run smoothly without confusion. Think about all the tasks in your business: hiring, customer service, marketing, ordering supplies. If there is no system, people won't know what to do, and mistakes will happen. But when you have a step-by-step process in place, everything works better. Employees know their responsibilities, customers get better service, and your business runs without chaos. Imagine you own a small bakery. Every time a new baker joins, they learn recipes by watching others. Some bake too long, some don't use the right amount of sugar. Customers start complaining. To fix this, you create a simple baking guide with exact steps. Now, every new baker follows the same process, and the quality stays the same. You run an online clothing store and order supplies when they run out. Sometimes you order too much, wasting money. Other times, you run out of stock and lose customers. To fix this, you set up a system to track inventory and reorder only when necessary. Now, you always have enough products without wasting money. A good system saves time, reduces mistakes, and helps your business grow. If you want to scale your business, start by making clear systems for everything you do. 2. Build a self-sustaining team. A business should not depend on just one person, especially not the owner. If everything stops when you take a break, your business is not ready to grow. To scale successfully, you need a strong team that can handle things on their own. This means hiring good leaders for different parts of your business. Each department should have someone in charge who knows how to manage tasks without waiting for your approval all the time. When everyone knows their role, the business keeps running, even if you are not there. One way to test if your business is self-sustaining is to take a break for a month. Go on vacation, step away, and see if things still work smoothly. If they do, you have built a strong team. If not, you need to make improvements. Examples. Imagine you own a small restaurant. At first, you handle everything, taking orders, checking the kitchen, managing employees. But you can't do this forever. You decide to hire a restaurant manager to take care of daily operations. Now, even when you take a week off, your restaurant runs fine because the manager ensures everything is in order. You run a digital marketing agency. Clients always ask you for updates, and you are constantly busy. You hire a project manager to handle client communication and make sure deadlines are met. Now, your business operates without you being involved in every small detail. A strong team allows your business to grow beyond you. If you want to scale, build a team that can manage things independently. Empower your employees. Your business will grow faster when your employees know exactly what to do. Giving them clear job descriptions and setting goals helps them work better. If employees are confused about their roles, they will keep asking questions, waste time, and make mistakes. But when everything is clear, they can work confidently without waiting for instructions all the time. One of the best ways to do this is by creating a company manual. This guide explains what each employee is responsible for and how to do their job correctly. It saves time, removes confusion, and makes sure everyone follows the same rules. As a business owner, you should avoid micromanaging. If you control every small detail, employees won't feel trusted. They will be afraid to make decisions and won't think creatively. Instead, give them the freedom to work, succeed, and even make mistakes. Mistakes help them learn and improve. Over time, they will become more confident and start producing great results. Imagine you own a clothing store. You hire a new salesperson, but instead of explaining everything, you let them figure things out. They feel lost and keep asking questions, which slows them down. To fix this, you create a simple training guide with clear steps on greeting customers, handling payments, and organizing shelves. Now, Every new hire learns quickly and performs better. You run a small web design company. You have a talented graphic designer, but you always check their work and ask for changes. They feel frustrated and stop sharing new ideas. You decide to give them more creative freedom. Soon, they start coming up with amazing designs, and your clients love them. When you trust your employees and give them the right tools, they will grow, and so will your business. 4. Make your business more than just a product. Having a great product is important, but it's not enough. People don't just buy products, they buy experiences. If you want your business to grow, you need to make sure that customers enjoy buying from you, not just the product itself. Think about Starbucks. They sell coffee, but people don't go there just for the coffee. They go because of the warm, cozy environment, friendly service, and the feeling of relaxation. The experience makes people keep coming back. The same goes for IKEA. They sell furniture, but people love the experience of walking through the store, testing furniture, and getting design ideas. It's not just about the product, it's about how the shopping experience makes customers feel. If you want your business to scale, focus on customer relationships. Give them great service, solve their problems, and make them feel valued. When customers enjoy their experience, they will come back and recommend your business to others. Imagine you own a small bakery. You don't just sell cakes, you create a special experience. You offer free samples, let kids decorate their cupcakes, and remember your regular customers' favorite treats. Because of this, people love coming to your bakery, and they tell their friends about it. You run an online clothing store. Instead of just selling clothes, you offer a great shopping experience. Fast delivery, easy returns, and personalized style recommendations. Customers love the convenience and keep coming back to shop with you. When people love the experience, they don't just buy once, they become loyal customers. And loyal customers help your business grow. 5. Scale with patience and strategy. Every big business started small. McDonald's, Starbucks, and Amazon didn't grow overnight. It took years of planning, hard work, and learning from mistakes. If you want to scale your business, you must be patient and have a clear strategy. Many small business owners expect quick success, but growth takes time. Mistakes will happen. Some decisions won't work, some employees may fail, and some customers may leave. But that's part of the process. The key is to stay focused, learn from setbacks, and keep moving forward. To scale successfully, trust your team and follow your system. Don't change your plans every time something goes wrong. Stay consistent, improve what doesn't work, and celebrate small wins along the way. Imagine you start a small online bookstore. At first, you only sell a few books, and sales are slow. You feel discouraged, but instead of giving up, you focus on marketing and customer service. Over time, people start recommending your store, and sales increase. After 5 years, your bookstore is a well-known brand. You open a food truck selling tacos. The first few months are tough. Some days you don't get many customers. Instead of quitting, you listen to feedback, improve your recipes, and start posting on social media. Slowly, more people come to try your food. After 2 years, your food truck is so popular that you open a restaurant. Success takes time. Be patient, stay committed, and trust the process. If you follow a good strategy and don't give up, your business will grow bigger than you ever imagined. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more business growth secrets.